So this machine, as you saw, was operating without any electricity, meaning it was operating on free energy. So how is that actually happening? Now, moving on to the real secret part, it is another fake video that I'm exposing here. And I gave you the camera angle view only to show you the parts where the driving machine was actually not visible. A few smarties among you might have spotted it, but I'm going to show you boldly here. Here we have the driving motor. It was hidden like this, and I was taking the camera view from this point, so it was not visible. And this is how this machine was actually running. And as for the part where I calibrated this magnet with the running part, that happened because you can see here, I've given this wire that is drilled through the table, and the wire is connected to a power supply and a switch, and I was turning on and off the switch according to my needs when I was bringing this magnet close to the rotor. And this is how it looked like it was starting only when I was bringing the magnets close to the rotor. And it was like the magnets were attracting and repelling, and this is how it was gaining the motion, and so the continuous free energy machine. But that is just fake, and this is one of the methods of hiding the motor. And the second method is to, even if we don't add this motor, we can blow a high speed air, and then in that way turn the rotor, the air is going to strike the magnet part that is a little projected outwards, and this is going to start the rotation motion. And you will see that there is no motor inside this big motor, and the rotor is also present, and we have placed the magnets, no wire, nothing is given, and still it is performing great. And how is that happening? This is how they're doing it. So that's all for today. Bye bye.